Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got a festive finish for you. So this is a canvas that you will have seen me do an unboxing for. I will pop a link up in the eye for it so that you can see that original unboxing. It came from New Craft Day and a big thank you goes to them again for providing that for me and allowing me to test some festive goodies. So this canvas is also one that I completed as part of the event that I am co-hosting with Diamond Grandma. Again, I will link to her channel in the description below. The event is hashtag Oh No Snow, and you too can take part. There is really no restrictions other than that your canvas has to have something to do with snow. So this is the canvas that I completed. It is just a little partial wreath design. It is a fully crystal drill and it is so sparkly. The sparkle on the snowman is amazing. It's got AB crystal drills in the body and then it's outlined with a clear crystal. I really enjoyed this one. It was pretty quick to do. It's come out really lovely. I really like the fact that you don't drill the words, so they show up nice and clearly. The only thing I will say is that some of the glue was slightly misprinted, so I had to go in and stick some of the drills myself, sort of mostly on this top edge because there seems to be a lot of glue overhang on this lower edge. So it feels like it was just slightly misaligned when they placed the glue, which is not a problem. Because of the stick from the overhang of glue, I am probably going to seal it. I wouldn't normally bother, but yeah, I'm really pleased with this. Obviously prices are subject to change, but when I got this it was an absolute bargain at £3.85. So yeah, I was really pleased with that. In terms of leftovers, we have got plenty. I mean, particularly these pearl half spheres, so many of those left. There are, I don't know mate, how many are on the canvas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 18 in the canvas and I've probably got somewhere close to that still remaining. We've got little crystal leaf shapes remaining. The coloured crystals you can see plenty of there. Yeah, so really pleased with that. Lots of leftovers which I can use for other projects. And yeah, now I just need to decide how I'm going to display this. It does still have quite a harsh crease in the middle that I've not been able to get out, but I think I might just go around the edge with some of my Sassy Santa and then keep this one as a square. I had ummed and ahed about whether to cut it and actually cut it into a wreath shape, but I think I'm just going to edge it with this lovely Sassy Santa and then trim the edging of anything that goes beyond that. Let's just this washi, you've probably heard me talk about it before. I'm a big fan. It comes from Baby J. I will pop a link to her store down below. But yeah, how cute are these guys? They are fabulous. And I think for a canvas that I'm only going to put up seasonally, I think this will be great. So I hope that you guys are all working on festive canvases or gift making. If you are working on something, even if it's not for an event, do let me know down in the comments. I love to know what you're all getting up to. Like to hear what you're all doing, find out where you're buying your bits and pieces from, what's hot these days, what's not these days. I like to live vicariously through all of you, so come on, down in the comments, let me know. So I think, oh no, that's not straight. Let's go again with that one, shall we? Okay. There we go. Just follow that there. Just finishes it off super cute, and I will trim the edges, but you don't need to watch me do that. Yeah, I am going to trim around the edges, but I'm not going to make you watch me do that. But I think that just finishes it off nice and neatly, covers up all that stuff with the legend on the side, and means that I can pop some pins in, pop it on my wall for the festive season, and then take it down again come the new year. So thanks once again for checking out my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome. Please do consider subscribing, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And if you want to get something like this for yourself, you can of course always make use of my code from New Craft Day, which is the Crafty10 on screen now. So do make sure that you are doing that if you are going shopping anytime soon. Thanks once again to everybody for being here with me today. Thank you to my supporters over on Patreon. You mean the absolute world. So there we go, snowman. I will see you all in the next one, and until then, stay crafty.